Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus with hyperbolic design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches 1.5K punch hole display, resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 88.5% screen to body ratio. Approximately 446 ppi pixel density, 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus support, and with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Light Fusion 800 sensor main camera with aperture 1.6, along with 50 megapixel telephoto camera with aperture 2.0, and with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies, it has 20 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 24/30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system up to 3 major Android upgrades, based on exclusive optimized version of HyperOS. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core up to 2.5 GHz, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR4X, LPDDR5 RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2. UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.53 by 74.67 by 8.66 mm, and it weighs around 210.8 grams, and the color options, black, white, green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6200 mAh battery, with 90-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS L1, USB Type-C audio jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP68, IP69K dust and water resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,199 Chinese yuan, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 2,399 Chinese yuan. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.